Welcome to this last lecture in the series on moral psychology. It's great to see so many people here. It sort of dipped off a bit last week. Even if you're eating breakfast, you're extraordinarily welcome. In fact, do bring your breakfast. It's lunch. Gosh, you must have been up early, especially for a philosopher. Well done. Excellent, and it's healthy as well. That's fantastic. I like that. Homemade pasta, fantastic. All right, so look, enjoy your lunch. What's going to happen in the lecture though? Well, it's kind of a mixed bag. What I'm trying to do really is to introduce just one tiny new topic to you, and this is about the developmental origins of humans' ethical abilities. Now, many people will not be interested in that issue, so of course, you should feel free to skip it, just like you could skip anything really. So there we'll think about whether there are innate drivers of morality in humans. The other thing I want to do today is to try to bring together the different theories and discoveries that we found in the lecture. So I'll be looking at whether there's evidence against our stripped down dual process theory. I'll be returning to the question of whether emotions influence moral judgments, which I think we can answer. I will be returning to the moral foundations theory. I think that the case for the dual process theory shows that there are some significant problems with moral foundations theory, namely that it's false, and that this also creates problems for the use of the moral foundations questionnaire, and explain some of the difficulties with it. But it's not all bad news on that front, because I think that the dual process theory has also led us to a good explanation of why moral reframing may work. And at the end of the day, it's the moral reframing that's of critical importance there, I think. I also want to discuss how we might do ethics if we accept the conclusion that we have reached, which is that we are not to rely on premises not justified inferentially where we are constructing arguments with the aim of deriving knowledge from their conclusions. So there's quite a lot to pack in there. Hold tight, enjoy your lunch or breakfast, and I will see you in the live question session on Thursday, where I hope you might have one or two little questions for me, either about something that's come up this week or something from a previous week. See you Thursday.